La Conner, a small beach town on the coast of Washington. In a local campground on the side of a cabin lived a large banana slug. His name, Ricardo. Ricardo is fed a diet of lettuce and blueberries. On the side of his head is a large hole. It's their breathing pore. This is called a pneumostome. It's the opening to their lung, allowing them to breathe air, which is necessary for their survival outside of water. Their color is important as it helps them blend in with their surroundings. Slugs produce mucus on their skin to help them not dry out, reduces friction as they move, and may even act as a deterrent against predators. It takes a large quantity of water to produce mucus. Banana slugs create dry granules of mucus that actually rehydrates with surrounding water. These shell-less snails are often overlooked, but they are essential for breaking down organic materials and recycling nutrients back into the soil. Banana slugs are fascinating creatures that play an important role in their ecosystems.